Sitting.
Where you going?
Look at the donk.
Babe.
Look at you.
Where we going now? It is crazy out here, people.
Oh my gosh.
It is ridiculously crazy.
In case anything happens.
Yeah.
In case anything happens or we go out somewhere.
1877 Pepco 62. We will have that on
Weather alert! So, it's haven't started. It haven't started snowing yet.
3 days of non-perishable food items is what Pepco is saying that you should have.
3 days of I only have 1 day. What?
Day effort because
So, it haven't started snowing yet. Like, I'm about to. That was serious. My phone almost fell.
You're absolutely correct, Laura. Thank you so much. We do have the storm.
There's 8 inches in Virginia already. 8 inches. Let me show you guys the kids. So, 2 of the babies are here.
I'm not a baby. You're vlogging.
You are a baby.
No, I'm not.
And then there's the other one.
I'm 9 years old.
You're a baby.
I'm not a baby.
You're a baby.
No.
What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? You ain't going to do nothing. Sit down. What are you guys playing? Is that daddy game or your game?
Daddy Marbles.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi. What were you doing?
Mommy, can we play?
Okay, weirdo.
Can we play Call of Duty Black Ops? No.
And here's the princess. What are you doing?
Playing cards.
It's what did you say?
Mommy.
Get out of your sister shine.
Mommy.
But
No, Jaxson. No. Oh yeah. Get chips.
can you get chips?
Yeah.
What did I say earlier? What do you think? Because I'm vlogging, I'm gonna say yes.
Chips.
No, I said no earlier.
Chips.
No.
Chips.
Anyways, we're back to princess. If I kick this boy over. So, what are you doing for the snowstorm that's coming? What are your plans?
Oh, my plan is, I don't know.
You don't know?
Nope.
Are you gonna go sledding?
No.
No.
I'm sick.
You're sick. That's right. So, what are your plans?
Plan is,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Did you buy anything special for
No,
the snowstorm that's coming?
I ate it all.
You ate it all? Okay. Well, that's a good way to. What?
I want more chips.
Look, Destiny spilled nail polish on the carpet. Never gonna get that out. What's up, little boy? What do you need?
I want more chips.
No, you already had one.
I'm getting one.
No.
I want 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 one.
You're becoming a little annoying little brat. I need to vacuum my floor. Oops. Oops. I almost fell over. You're laughing? Huh? You're laughing? Look how my daughter messed up her carpet. Why's your deodorant on the floor?
I don't know.
Pick it up. She messed up her floor, guys. Little culprit. Messed up her, Oh my gosh, people. My baby had lice. She had head lice.
Why are you telling them?
Because, you don't want me to tell them?
I told you. I'll tell Daddy.
Only tell daddy?
Uh-huh.
So you don't want anybody else to know that you had lice?
No.
Some little girl can learn from what you had to endure.
Okay.
How was it having head lice?
Bad.
Bad? Why?
I don't like the treatment.
You don't like the treatment?
No.
You have one more round of treatment. So
Why?
because I found them twice. So
Mommy. Mommy.
evidently you're getting
Mommy.
reinfected at
Mommy.
school, because I didn't find the nits. I just found the adults ones.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah, people. So yeah, her school had head lice. So sorry, Papa. Her school had head lice, and it started in Jason's class, and somehow made its way into my home. Jason had it. He got treated. I cut it off. What? I cut off all his curls that he had, because he had curls, and he had all intention of growing his hair out. But after he got the head lice, I was not gonna treat all that curl, so I just bald his head off, and I bald all the boys' head. My husband got his head bald and everything, and I went ahead and treated everyone in the house except for myself, because I haven't had any itching or anything like that. So hopefully I don't have them. But somehow my daughter went back to school. Actually, she got 2 treatments. She went back to school, and yesterday when I was doing her hair, yes honey, 1 second. Yesterday when I was doing almost. So yesterday when I was doing her hair, I was getting ready to part her hair to put it in ponytails, because I've been really, I've been really on top of making sure that her hair is braided and not loose or anything like that. So when I go to part her hair to put it up in the ponytail, I saw an adult lice going in between her hair, the strands of her hair, and I freaked out, and I was like, wait a minute. So I humped that sucker down, only to find 8 more adults in her hair. So I freaked out like a mad woman. I was like, you're not going to school? You're not going to school? And I called the principal, and I was like, something's going on, because even if she did get the treatment 2 weeks ago, all they're supposed to be in her hair are nits. And what did the nits? 7 days after, they become, atch, they grown ups, whatever. So there shouldn't be any live ones in her hair. There just should be nits, which evidently the treatment was supposed to kill eggs and everybody.
Mommy.
But I found adults in her hair again, so that simply means that there are other kids still at school with head lice that are not treated. So I called the school. Yes, be quiet, 1 second. So I was like, yeah, something's going on in the school where there are kids that are not, their head are not treated, and my child is coming home back and forth with lice, and I'm not going to do this, because a bottle of Nix or whatever is $20 for the family thing. So I'm here like a mad woman, washing everything and isolating things, and making sure that it's not spread. And poor little Missy over here had to endure anything from hot oil treatment to because I had to comb them suckers out. I had to comb them out. She had to I had to blow dry flat iron in her hair, because I was like, if anything is in there, it's gonna die. And then after that, I went back through with the combs and stuff, and I was like, no, I didn't find 3. I found the nits, the eggs. So I was like combing through it, and I'm gonna do another treatment on her hair in 3 more days. Please pray for my household, because I was told that black people can't get lice. That is a lie, because my black children had lice in their hair. And I don't know if it's because they're mixed or what, but it shouldn't matter. They're black. So, don't believe that myth that black people can't get lice. Black people can get head lice. So, you're mixed, but you're black. Don't get all hyped, okay? Don't be a sellout. You're black. Anyways, so that's gonna be my little update and rant for today. Anyways, guys, buckle down, hanker down, weather out your storm. Hi. Weather out your storm, because we're getting a thunderstorm. Oh, they said we're supposed to have thunder. Snowstorm. I don't know what that is. Never experienced that before. But all I can do is pray and believe that there's a God and we'll be okay. I did the best I could to prepare my children. My husband has something here that can give us electricity for lose power. And we have everything charged. We have batteries, charger, lighter, all kind of stuff. My husband gassed up the car just in case we gotta go, whatever. So we're good to go on that department. So if you guys are experiencing this, which I'm pretty sure, you know, most states are, that you guys are prepared and are able to weather your storm. So anyways, me and my little guys and my little woman and my hubby, we are going to figure out something fun for the kiddos to do. And I will see you guys. And I'm so sorry that I haven't been making videos because I'm watching this little boy and I don't want to record while he's here. So it's kind of hard because he's getting older and requires more of my attention. So when he was younger, I did it once. I videotaped once when he was younger and was sleeping. But now that he's much older and require more time, I don't have time, which would be like, you know, if I should ever have a baby again, that would be how it would be. Anyways, I'm rambling, but yeah. So he went home early today, so I'm able to get a little bit of taping in and get you guys something to watch, you know. Today's the last of the week, last day of the week. Yeah. I love you. I love you. You don't love me back? You don't love me! Love you. Guys, it has begun. It has our little pond. See our little pond? Our little pond right here. It's a heart-shaped pond. So if you follow right here, it goes around like that and then come back. It's a little heart. It's a heart-shaped pond and it's frozen. It's frozen. We had snow the other day and
I want to ice skate on it.
that was horrible because people were stuck on the beltway for more than 24 hours. Just because we had a little bit of snow. So hopefully we are prepared for this, what's coming, because it just started and it looks like
I want to ice skate on it.
it looks it's pretty not so heavy, but I can tell by the way it's falling that it's gonna be vicious. So
it is actually hard.
yeah.